Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a new product that I found through the YesStyle Affiliates program, where I'm able to try out and review a product each month, and this particular one definitely caught my eye. So this is May Idebenone and Blackberry Complex Serum. This is actually the Soul Edition, so this is huge. Look at the size of this serum. And this is more than 2 times the size of the original. So this is actually 80 milliliters. And the reason I picked up this serum is because of the Idebenone and the Blackberry Complex. This serum is super high in antioxidants. It also is great for anti-aging, combating environmental stressors, and it has a brightening effect. This serum can be used morning or night. And for me personally, I would be using this serum in the morning, taking the place of my vitamin C, which normally I use before sunscreen to boost the effectiveness of my SPF and also to help combat environmental stressors. So this could do that. So I'm going to go ahead and see what it looks like. It is a very yellow serum. I'm going to put some on my hand. If you can see just how yellow that is. Doesn't have too much of a smell, and any smell that was there quickly dissipated. It definitely is not a fragrance smell. So that rubbed in really nicely. I'm going to put some on my face. See how it goes. What I like to do with a serum like this is get a full dropper. I'm going to put it all over without the actual tip of the dropper touching me, just to keep everything super clean. And oops, all over. Let's see, I have a little bit more. Just keep putting on, and I want to see how my face looks after. Okay, so that's good. We're going to rub that in. And so what I'm looking for and what I'm seeing is really nice brightening, a little bit of a glow. It is going to be hydrating, and I am feeling that. So this is feeling so far really nice on my skin. Really smooth. I'm not noticing any kind of pilling or build up of the product, at least by itself, which is great. And it rubs in beautifully. Now, after I rub in a serum like this, I am going to pat it in and just push it into my skin, help the absorption, and then see what it looks like. So this is the May Idebenone and Blackberry Serum. This is what we're working with. You can see really beautiful plump skin. Loving that so far. Little bit of stickiness, but I expect that when the product is still wet. So I'll see when it dries how it feels. Anything left over I'm going to put on my hands. Once it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and put an SPF on top, because I wear SPF whether I leave the house or not, and definitely all day during the day. So here I have another product that I received from YesStyle, and this is the BLIV Collagen Bouncing Sun Stick. It has collagen, 12 peptides, 17 amino acids. I love these sun sticks because it's so easy to reapply sunscreen throughout the day, over top of your makeup, under your makeup, and in general they don't leave a white cast. So this is what the sun stick looks like. Nice pretty pink. Similar to deodorant, we're just going to twist up, top off. Let me make sure. So I'm no longer sticky. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. And I'm just going to put it on my skin. So what I'm doing here is I have the serum underneath to help boost the effectiveness of my SPF. And now I'm putting on my SPF. I could also use any kind of liquid face screen or cream face sunscreen. But since I have this one, and since I wanted to check it out anyway, it works really nicely to use these two together. So let's see what it looks like. Really glowy. I can also rub this in a little bit more if I have any extra. I'll put it on my neck. I'll put some on my ears. No smell. No pilling. That's super important to me with sunscreens. A lot of times you get that pilling, and it's really annoying because it feels like your skin is flaking off, but it's really just the product buildup. And so when I'm looking at sunscreens, I am looking for ones that don't pill or cause other products to pill. This is me with just sunscreen and that Blackberry Serum. Definitely loving the glow. I can't wait to see what it does in terms of helping with boost the effectiveness of my SPF, with the environmental stressors, and helping with their anti-aging benefits. Now, I received both of these products courtesy of YesStyle. This is part of the affiliates program, and this is one of the glow up giveaways. I'm gonna go ahead and put my affiliates code down below so you can check out these products as well as any other products YesStyle offers and get a discount in the process. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have tried either of these products, or if you're just a fan of sun sticks like I am, and what you think about this ingredient, this Idebenone. It's pretty new to me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.